We are gonna tell you the way to the enrollment office where we get our enrollment done and we pay our
and where you pay your semester ticket fee.
Yeah, so Los Gets. So from here we came to the student and work office, and now we are gonna go straight. Just remember this great landmark.
This is our central bibliotheke, also called central library. So here, after when you get your different types of cards, student card, you can just enroll and issue any books you want.
So these above are written the building number. So if someone says that please come to this building number, just follow these numbers. Like this one is building number 34. There are more building numbers, like mathematics building is 49 and more the respective buildings.
So you can see the biggest building over there. This is the main building, also called building number 47. And in front of that building there is ISGS office. So we will be taking you there.
Also, this is the building for the Technisha health insurance. We are going to make another video like how to get your card after you are done with enrollment and all other things. So once you have an appointment for enrollment, you have to come to this office. Here it's written ISGS and the building number is 39.
So this is the ISGS center. So this is after you will get
An appointment
after
for
an
enrollment.
appointment you have to come at the given time. After your documents are checked, you will get a ticket
Or a receipt.
and you have to take it
to which floor, you remember?
Yeah, it is on the 10th floor. And you go to the 10th floor and
pay your semester contribution fee after you get a receipt.
And again return back and submit your semester ticket or that receipt of that semester ticket which you paid to the office.
And remember one thing, you should take a photo of the receipt that you get after paying, because sometimes it's not lodged into their systems and that can create a problem for you.
Within one more information, within 7 days you should get your
student ID card.
If you don't get, message ISGS or directly come and talk to them.
And things that you have to bring for enrollment is your passport and that insurance certificate and the application form with the biometric photo. Beside the ISGS, as we told you, is this big main building. So once your enrollment and all the formalities are complete, you have to come to this building and
After
go
7 days.
after 7 days. or if you get an email before that, then you can come here, enter through this door. Right now this building is closed because it's the Christmas holiday, so we are gonna just tell you.
So
This
there
is
there is the office called Studierenden Service Center. See, I can zoom and show it to you. So this is right on the ground floor, and just you have to go inside that building and tell that you have got an email
and collect your student ID card from here.
Yeah, that is the main card, because with that card you can travel throughout the city without paying any traveling fees.
So you will get a card like this where your matriculation number is written and it's valid from this date to this date. And this also acts as a bus pass, so you don't have to pay any more money to travel into the buses. You just have to show this card and get into the bus.